Hey everyone, today we are making mole, Jalisco style. Wash your chicken and remove the skin. This mole from Jalisco is a spicy mole. It is not sweet at all. You're going to want to now add your chicken legs that are cleaned and washed to a pot of boiling water. You're going to want to cook this chicken for about an hour. Add salt to taste and onion. If you would like to, you can add some fresh oregano for some added flavor. However, this is optional. Now you're going to want to clean your chilies by removing the seeds and the membrane from inside. This is where the spice is held. So if you would like your sauce to be a bit spicier, you may want to go ahead and leave some seeds in the chilies. Once you're done cleaning the seeds out, make sure to rinse your chili and pat them dry. Now we're going to fry our chilies that are pat dry. Make sure that they are dry because the water, once it connects to the hot oil, it begins to pop. So make sure that you dry your chilies. I've left the footage in real time because I want you to see how quickly they cook up. It takes about 15 seconds. A few seconds on one side and then a few on the other. Keep your chilies moving because you do not want them to burn. This will affect the flavor of your sauce. Now we blend everything together. So to the blender we are going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. We're going to add the toasted chilies, whole peppercorn, cloves, some toasted sesame seeds, bay leaf, 2 slices of toasted bread, some garlic cloves, chicken bullion, salt to taste. Ama left out the salt completely from her sauce because she said that she had salted her chicken broth already and she didn't want to add too much salt. We added fresh oregano and not the dried, only because Ama thought that I didn't have any fresh oregano on hand and she had purchased the dried oregano already. The very last thing that you're going to add to the blender are the 3 garlic cloves. Now you will blend until the color changes from light to dark. Take 1 teaspoon of oil to the pot that you will be making your mole in. You will add the sauce to the oil. Be careful, it is going to pop all over the place. You will need 2 cups of chicken broth to remove the extra sauce that's left in the blender. Mix it around and pour it into your pot. This will thin out your sauce just a tiny bit. Notice the color of the sauce. At this point, it's pretty light. It will darken up, and this is how you will know it's time to add the chicken. This will take about a minute, tops 2 minutes. Add your chicken legs to the sauce and let simmer for about 15 minutes. This mole is a staple in our household. We enjoy it often. Remember, you can always add a little bit more chicken broth if you feel that the sauce is a little bit too thick for you, or maybe there's not enough. You want to make it a little bit more saucier. We enjoy the mole with a side of Mexican rice. Enjoy. I hope you love this as much as we do.